Okay, Daisy's trying to figure out her new toy that I just unwrapped for her. Got it at my favorite store, Tractor Supply. She knocked over my big, beautiful plant yesterday. Or actually last night, and I was not happy. So, after the Bluebonnet Horse Expo, I went over to Tractor Supply, and I found this. 3 balls, 3 different layers of balls. So, this will keep her occupied for a while. You're hilarious, Daisy. You are hilarious. So please hit like and subscribe to our videos. And I promise I will try to do better at the videoing. It's just not my strong suit. Okay. Oh, there you go, Daisy. You're getting it. I'll move this so you can get a better view.